What I get to know new today. This is what I got new today. A new solder gun. Now here's the part number of it right there. Yep. All the stuff inside of it. And all the attachments in it. In that little case, it looks like. Let me see if I can open it up. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It comes in a nice little case. Now the other one I had was an appliance. I'm trying to remember who sold that to me. I think it was a Mac guy. That went up in smoke too, so we needed a new one. And the other corded one I had, it also went up. We have instructions for it. So there must be more than one of these, huh? See, there's two models. That one and that one. So, comes with this little dip tray. And some sorted tips. Let's see. Well, let me take the gun out so I can get the tips out. Just a round tip, another round tip, and another round tip. That's on the tips. That tips. And it stayed locked in there. And a nice little cover for it. We have a flat blade. Sorry, a flat blade. We have another little less of a flat blade and a little less. So they all go a little less. Yep. And they get locked into the little place. In their place. Then we have the torch. Let me set this stuff down somewhere. Then we have the butane torch. Butane torch. It has a little stand to hold it up off the thing. And then here's your on and off. And here's your igniter. And you can't even see that it's ignited. They used to have a little where you could see it being lit. And there's your fill point right there. Yeah, and there's your little tray thing to heat shrink. And I've got a complimentary. Well, this is made by Master, so complimentary tank of butane. So this must be the ones that sell this, make this for Snap-on. And I'd show you the price, but I might get people all wound up about that. So let me fill this up and bring you back.